Hello friends, today I am making Melagu Pongal or Ven Pongal. It's a healthy tiffin using less oil, ghee, dal and chawal. As a side dish, I am making coconut chutney. To give a sweet tinge, I am using 1 piece of date instead of sugar. So come, let's cook. For making Kara Pongal or Ven Pongal, we need 1 cup of raw rice, half a cup of moong dal. I have mixed those two things and I have washed it thoroughly and I soaked it in water using 2.5 cups of water. The same cup I have used for taking 2.5 cups of water, and I soaked it for 10 minutes. If you have no time, no problem, no need to soak, immediately we can cook. And for tempering or tadka, we need cumin seeds, crushed pepper. I am not taking whole pepper because people don't like it having the whole peppers in their mouth. It may disturb the taste. So slightly crushed, you see, into 2 or 3 pieces. And some finely chopped ginger. Even this will spoil your taste if you put it in big pieces. So finely mince it. And 2 strings of curry leaves and a handful of cashews and a small piece of hing. This is akka hing I am using. Otherwise you can also use powdered asafoetida or hing. I switched on the stove. It's hot. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm not using much oil because after cooking the pongal, I'll be topping it with pure ghee, cow ghee I'll be using. So I don't need much oil right now. Once the oil gets heated, I'll first put cumin seeds, jeera and the piece of asafoetida. Ginger pieces, slightly fry it for just a few seconds. Now add curry leaves, give it a stir so that the aroma can be extracted in the oil. Now I'll add cashews. Let it become brown in color. You have option here. You can add cashews at this stage, or if you like it crispy, in the end you just fry the cashews separately and you can decorate it with final stage. That will be crunchy that time. Put the peppercorns, crushed peppercorns. Yes, it is done now. We'll add rice and water together. You just stir. We'll add salt according to taste. I'm using 1/4 of a tablespoon. It will be sufficient. Give a good stir and let's close the lid and let it get cooked for 5 minutes after simming the stove. Once the cooker attains pressure, we'll sim it for 5 minutes and it will be done. In the meantime, we'll make coconut chutney, a complement for our Ven Pongal, Kara Pongal or Melagu Pongal. I taken quarter of a fresh coconut and 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal ya putnal, 1 piece of green chili, it is spicy, a small piece of ginger, and to give it a sweet tinge I use 1 kajur or date, and for some little sour taste I use 1 tablespoon of curd and some salt to taste, and we will grind this into paste using some water. Chutney is ready. Now we will give tadka. It is coarse, it's not fine paste, little coarse it is. For tempering coconut chutney, we will use half a spoon of oil, when it gets little hot, we'll put red chili, dry red chili. Now add mustard and cumin seeds. Let it splutter for some time. Add urad dal. Once it becomes brown, I'll add this curry leaves. Yes. Switch off the stove. It gets cooked in this heat. The second enough. It should not burn the urad dal. Coconut chutney is ready. It has been cooked for 5 minutes after simming the stove. Now the pressure is released. Let's open. Yes. This pongal has to be soft and gooey. It should not be grainy. See? It should be gooey like this. You may be wondering why I always switch on the stove, and when I'm cooking I sim it for 5 minutes like that. Why don't I give whistles? I can say that I go for 2 whistles or 3 whistles. I do this to save the energy. Pongal is ready to be served hot with lots of pure ghee. Enjoy. To make it healthier, I use less oil. You can use more oil, it tastes better. I hope you will try this. If you like it, please do share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.